Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, share ko lang sa inyo kung paano ako mag-makeup pag simple, ordinary day. I-drunk blush ko lang and then that's it. Ayan, so very simple. Ayan, so if you're interested, please keep on watching. Hi guys! So here I'm using my favorite L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour freshwear foundation. My ever favorite. Yun, ang pamangkin ko, naggugulo na. Hi, JR.
Birthday pa lang ngayon ng tatay.
Hindi ha.
Sabi ng inay.
Hindi kayo.
Tapos nagpapatent pa daw.
Nagpapatent.
Ano to?
Ibig sabihin, ang oras ko hindi nagagamitin
Birthday
pa.
talaga ngayon ng tatay.
Hindi nga.
Dahil...
Tanong niya pa.
Hindi nga. Birthday ng
Ang
tatay
akin
ay
yata ako na
October.
rin, mamaya pa
Sino
raw.
may birthday mo?
Mamaya pa raw, ano yung gagawin doon?
For the concealer, I'm using my favorite, the saem Tip Concealer in the shade 01. Next, I'll be using my favorite Coty airspun. Another favorite, this is the Face Shop Eyebrow Pencil in the shade 03 Brown.
Hindi pa magbabayad. Hindi pa magbabayad.
Let me know guys if you want a tutorial for my eyebrow routine.
So, just...
Next, I'll be using my favorite L'Oreal mascara. And then konting eyeshadow na peach. Okay, so for my drunk blush, I'll be using this Ellana Mineral Cosmetics Clay Blush in the shade Mimosa. So, yan lang lagi yung pang drunk blush ko to complete the drunk blush look. Okay, so for my lipstick, I'll be using this Vice Cosmetics X BT21. Ayan siya. Very beautiful. Ganda-ganda ng shade niya. Yan si Shuki. To finish my look, I'll be using this face mist from Luxe Organix Rosewater Mist. Okay, so this is the final look. Ayan, so light color lang ng lipstick and then yung drunk blush. And konting ganyan. So, ayun na nga guys, wag na kayong mag-skip ng ads. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you on my next one. Bye!